Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by powering the Zoom F6 and confirming essentials. Plug in headphones to monitor immediately. Set sample rate to 48K HC and bit depth to 24-bit because you want headroom and compatibility. Once powered, insert a Class 10 SD card and check battery level so recordings aren't interrupted. Then, set the preamp gain to a conservative starting point. Use the input meters while speaking or tapping to avoid clipping, and make small gain adjustments until levels sit around -12 dB. Now you handle inputs and routing. Plug each microphone and set the input type to mic or line as required, because impedance matters. Make a choice between auto gain assist for quick setups or manual trim for precise control. Once done, aim to keep peaks under -6 dB to preserve headroom. Next, assign channels to discrete tracks and enable 32-bit float if you need extreme dynamic range recovery, making sure monitoring mixes are routed to your headphones before pressing record. To finish, stop the take and immediately label or note the file, then safely eject the SD card to avoid corruption. Make a backup to a second drive or cloud store as soon as possible, and scan waveforms for any clipping or unexpected silence. If something went wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip. Verify phantom power for condenser mics, confirm cable polarity and input assignments, and swap cables to isolate the fault. Then retest levels and record a short check.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.